Hello, is it me you're looking for? I could see it in your eyes, I could see it in your smile. Hi guys, it's Riya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Good. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ 7 न्यू वेरिएंट्स लेके आई हूँ फ्रॉम प्लैटिनम परफ्यूम्स एंड दीज आर सो गुड. लाइक दिस हॉल इज सो होलसम एंड मैं जैसे ही आपको सारे फ्रेग्रेंसेज एक्सप्लेन करूँगी ना, यू लाइक रन टू द प्लैटिनम परफ्यूम स्टोर and you'll like buy all these variants. This haul is one of the best hauls that I have done from Platinum Perfumes. So let's begin. Before I do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है with the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. For all those of you who are not aware, Platinum Perfumes is a dupe house in India and their perfumes are available on Instagram as well as WhatsApp. I will leave the links to them in the description box. You can check out and you can place your orders. These are affordable. These are available in 10 ml, 30 ml, 50 ml variants. The price range is around like 200 and so. And these are super affordable. They are loud, they're projective, they perform well, they perform better than the original designer fragrances. And they are almost close to 95% similar to the original designer fragrances. So those you can get for 10,000 or you can just put in like 200-300 rupees and get the samples from Platinum Perfumes. They make perfect dupes and you can experience how a designer fragrance would feel, and if it suits you, go and invest in the 10,000 designer perfume. I'm going to start off with one of my favorite variants in this haul, and this is Burberry Goddess. This is a repurchase for me and I've already shared my thoughts about this in the last video, but I will not hesitate to put it again. This one is a beautiful lavender heavy vanillic fragrance. It has a kick of ginger to it, so that adds on to some spiciness. Some people find this to be a basic vanilla, but trust me, this feels and this smells richy rich. There is nothing basic about it. It feels like old money. It feels like, you know, you are rich, you are established, you are sophisticated, you are a beautiful, elegant, classy woman, and that's exactly what this perfume is about. It just exudes elegance in my opinion. And if there is one vanillic fragrance which you are willing to try, please go and, you know, do yourself a favor and go and buy Burberry Goddess. Performs so good, performs better than the OG. This is a long-lasting fragrance on me, 7-8 hours easily. Good projection, good wisp throughout the day. Absolutely paisa vasool fragrance from Platinum Perfumes. Hats off to you for making this one a successful release. The next one is Sparkling Lychee. Now, from the name you already know, this one is a dupe to Kayali Sparkling Lychee fragrance. And I have the Care Lychee as well from, Paris Corner. I do have that, and this one is very similar to that. Like the scent profile for that is very similar to the Kayali fragrance. This one is, you know, champagne-y, bubbly, sweet, fruity, balanced, so youthful. This to me, you know, this scent profile to me feels like a Gen Z scent profile. Like it is so youthful. It's fun, adventurous, enthusiastic, joyful, happy, a kind of a fragrance, you know, the kind of girl in the group who is like always ready to party, who's like always ready to chill out, who is the one who makes the plans and drags the whole group to the cafe to come and sit and chill. She's that girl in a bottle. Absolutely love how vibrant this fragrance is, and it is the kind of fragrance that just opens up your senses, you know, good vibes. So that's the kind of fragrance that is. Next, I will move to another Kayali dupe, and this one is Vanilla Rock Candy Sugar. From the name you already know what this is about. This one is such a gorgeous kind of like a sweetened pear situation. It is super sweet, a super gourmand, super girly. Reminds me of Aquilina Pink Sugar. Again, I have the Paris Corner version of this one as well. Both the fragrances are very similar, but the prices are so different. That is in the thousands range. This one is in the hundreds range. So, you know, just go for this one. Just go for this one and you will get a good Kayali dupe for yourself. Again, this one is a pink bubbly fragrance, something again which is very youthful, a very Gen Z perfume, if I may say so. A nice, a kind of like a, you know, thick, syrupy, juicy, baked pear situation going. I absolutely enjoy this scent profile. Then the next one is Gorgeous Magnolia. This one is a dupe from Gucci. Now this one is a white floral with coconut feel to it. Like, I haven't had an experience like this. So I found this to be super unique. You know, the magnolia, the other white florals mixing up with coconut, and it has a specific dewiness to it, you know, like that fresh creamy coconut mixed with you know, thoda morning breeze mixed with white florals, some leafy elements. This is so gorgeous. This has a beach feel vibe to it, but it also doesn't have, like, this is so elegant and classy. Reminds me of the color white, and overall this is a beautiful casual fragrance, good for everyday use. I'd say it's good for holidays because it kind of reminds me of a nice vacation at the Andaman, so definitely has that feel to it. The next fragrance is from Giorgio Armani, and this one is My Way Nectar. Now this, as the name suggests, is a very, you know, it feels like a sweet nectar, flower nectar, mixed with the wholesome of the flowers. Like, it has a lot of white floral notes to it, it has some woodiness to it, it has some vanillic hints, it has a sweetness of that natural nectar feel. Definitely this one has a very gorgeous white floral fragrance, and something which is kind of like a bridal fragrance in some ways. If you are wearing pastel colors and you're that kind of a modern bride who doesn't believe that red is the way to go, she is a non-traditional bride, she's more modern, she's into lilacs, she's into pastels, and she's going to wear that for her wedding, this is the modern bride fragrance. Then I have two perfumes from Victoria's Secret. This one is Bare Vanilla Noir. Now, Bare Vanilla Noir is a pear vanillic fragrance. It does have some aqua feel to it, like some marineness mixed with vanilla. So I may say so that this is more like a green fresh vanilla. I love the feel of this perfume because this is vanillic, but it's not gourmand vanillic. This is an everyday wear vanillic which will not choke people to death. This is not very sweet. It's a very balanced vanilla, and I absolutely love the variety that I'm getting of vanillas here. Like, green vanillic fragrance, like, I haven't heard of that in a very long time, so I really like that one as well. So the performance on that one is slightly toned down as compared to others. Bare Vanilla Noir gives me around 4 hours of longevity. I definitely have to refresh it after that, and also the projection and sillage is moderate on that one. The last perfume is again a super unique vanilla, and this one is from Victoria's Secret. This one is Bare Vanilla Frosted. Now, the name Frosted itself is giving you a very cool vibe, isn't it? And that's exactly what this is. This is vanilla mixed with some sugar, mixed with some ice, and mixed with mint. This is a minty vanillic mojito in a bottle. This is so summer appropriate, like, you just cannot go wrong with this in summertime, but you can only use it in the summertime. That is like something which is very specific to summer, spring and summer season. Good day wear fragrance, a little challenging because of that mint mixing up with vanilla, but nevertheless a very unique fragrance in itself, and a good summer drink experience in my opinion. The performance on this one is again around 4 to 5 hour mark, and the projection and sillage is moderate. So that completes today's haul for Platinum perfumes and my mini reviews as well. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I know all the variants were so good and so amazing. Like I told you in the start of the video, it will be very hard for you to choose. If I have to choose amongst these 7 fragrances that I've got, I would definitely pick again Burberry Goddess. That fragrance has my heart, like, it's so good. So Burberry Goddess is the one that I'll go for. The second one that I'll go for is Bare Vanilla Noir. I really like how beautiful this vanilla fragrance is done with. And the third pick for sure is going to be the Vanilla Rock Candy Sugar dupe from Kayali. I love that scent profile as well. So these will be my top 3 picks. You do you, whatever is your scent profile, choose accordingly and go with these. Again, I can ensure you that these are beautiful dupes with good performance and literally very inexpensive. So go with it and you are definitely going to enjoy it. Most of them are non-synthetic. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this platinum perfume haul as well as review. Do hit the like button if you like these videos. That tells me whether you want to see more of these or I should stop doing these. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.